Okay, this is how I'm making a Dollar Tree thank you card, a little extra special. Put some glitter on it. I just put some glue here, and then I have some Crafter's Square glitter. And I'm just going to put that on there. Just shake it off. And I only have a few colors, but I had green and pink and blue, so that's what I'm using. And then I just do it on the paper, and then I could put this back in the little thing here. So there you go. Having a nice downpour out there. You can see. That's going to help you see. It's really raining pretty good out there. And I'm busy crafting, making a mess as usual. Okay, the last thing I do is I just take some spray, some hairspray, and just give it a good spray across the card, and that will keep your glitter from going away. And then you just have to let this dry, because you can see it's shiny and wet. So just let those dry, and then they'll be good. That way you don't have all that glitter falling. Oof, the fumes. I don't wear hairspray. I got this actually to keep my shoes from slipping off. That's a good trick to do if your feet are slipping through your shoes, like a slide shoe. You can put hairspray on there, and it'll keep your foot from sliding.